Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a fully qualified web developer, and welcome to the first day of your short course in web development. So I'm going to be an instructor for this course. My name is Emmanuel and I'm a seasoned developer. You will learn all you need to know about becoming a web developer in this course, from the duties that a web developer performs on a daily basis to the skills you need. You undoubtedly also have to work with code. You will learn about the fundamental components of the internet, and I will make sure you finish the course having created your very first website. What will be covered in this course? In this course, you will discover the duties of a web developer and talk about the different types of web developers. We'll also look at the skills needed to become a web developer. Then thirdly, we'll preview what we'll be learning throughout this course. And finally, we'll create a web page using a text editor and browser. I hope you enjoyed this course just as I enjoy making it. Let's get started.